In this video, you'll see a sweet birthday cake with a story to tell. It starts with a simple reverse scroll border, and then lots of leaves piped on with the number 352. The link to these adorable buttercream booties is at the end and also below for you. Next is a mini wedding cake cut out from cupcakes. Frosting these was the hardest part of this cake. A toothpick makes the perfect dowel rod for this little miniature wedding cake. I went for a very rustic look for this little wedding cake. These will be Bouvardia flowers, which you can also see on my channel in detail. All the links will be below the video. The little white petals are made with a tiny petal tip, and I will put the numbers below for you. You'll need a custom leaf tip to create greens on the mini wedding cake. These are frozen buttercream mums. They were made earlier on, and again, I'll leave a link below. Now I'm piping some fresh leaves around the frozen mums, and with a number 81 mum tip, I'm doing a bunch of little burgundy touches. A wedding cake wouldn't be complete without flowers cascading. Two little blue baby booties are added along with a glimpse of our kitty cat, the cuteness. If you watch my videos often, you will probably get lots of glimpses of the cuteness as well as her sister, Joy. Thin gum paste and tappets are used to make the number 41, which is my son and daughter-in-law's age. Here is their story in a nutshell. Daniel and Melissa met for the first time in the hospital nursery, while their moms shared a room. 25 or so years later, they met again, fell in love, got married, and guess who made their real wedding cake? And now we have two beautiful grandchildren, which are the little blue booties on the right. Happy birthday, Dan and Melissa. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.